Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brennan here, and on behalf of Michael, Mark, and myself, I want to thank you for coming to our page today. Now, this right here is Mark Hess, and he's making $372 per hour with his banger method. Now, the crazy thing is that what he's doing is really not that complicated. All he's doing is modifying or twisting an easy method that most people already know about. But most people, and I really mean almost everybody watching this video right now, is doing this method all wrong. And I'm including myself here because I've been making easy money with this method for a while. And I've been doing it all wrong. Now, even while doing this wrong, I've still pulled in about $200 a day with this, consistently. But now with this simple little tweak in the banger method, I've easily tripled my income with this. And as you can see here, this is about triple the results that I normally get. Now the thing is, there's nothing difficult about the banger method. Literally anyone can do this. It only takes a few minutes of your time, and we've seen real people get over $100 with this in their first few hours. But that's just the beginning. People are actually replacing their jobs with this method. Now, whether you need some quick cash today or you want some reliable income to fire your boss tomorrow, the banger method is real, and it works, period. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mark Hess is far from a newbie, right? And you're wondering if you could actually make money with this too. Well, that's the best thing about this method. The banger system will work for anybody, even if you've never made a dollar online before. The truth is that all you need is a connection to the internet. Now, trust me, this new twist is a game changer. And the best part is that it's a super simple tweak. Takes a few minutes to modify what you should already be doing already. Now you will instantly triple your results with the banger method. Now, as you can imagine, it wasn't easy to get Hess to share this with me. I mean, after all, this dude has been making crazy good cash with the help of the banger method for years. You can see here over $4,000 in 2 days. This is over $6,000 and over $8,000 here in just a couple days with the banger method. This dude is crazy. He makes money on demand, he provides for his family, and he has the play money to live the life that he wants. And the good news for you is that Mark Hess has actually agreed to share the banger method today.
Hey, this is Mark Hess, and in the banger method, I reveal to you the exact method that we use to generate over 6 figures in affiliate commissions this past year. Right now, I am in my JVZoo affiliate account, and if I just keep pushing next, you can see 4,585, 3,925, 3,954, 3,988, $4,005, and we have $7,245, $3,164, and it goes on and on and on. You can see how I'm pushing the next button, and it's just 4,000, 5,000, 7,000, 6,000. Warrior Plus generated over $100,000 in commissions. If you guys want to know how I do this, I'm revealing it step by step to all of you in the banger method.
Now, you know how I got Mark to share this with us? I took Mark to an Eagles game. This was my in to learning exactly what secret twist he was keeping all to himself. Now, Hess and I are both Eagles fans. You can see us here. I actually flew into Philadelphia to watch them oust the Bears in the regular season. And after many beers and a great game, Mark finally revealed to me his insider secret. The one mistake that 99% of people do that crushes them before they even start. And the simple twist that makes easy money on demand. Now listen, I know how you feel. Most of the courses and trainings out there are the same thing, just packaged up a little bit differently. Now, one may have a green bow, one might have a pink bow, and some of these guys get really creative and they make their package look all sexy. But when you get inside, it's the same thing every single time. There's no creativity anymore. It's the same old crap. Outdated methods that underdeliver and leave you feeling confused, frustrated, and ultimately betrayed. Now that's where the banger method is different. We know that this works, and we even have the proof. And really, this won't take you much time either. Mark built a campaign all from scratch and it took him 45 minutes. And he made $5,600 in just one day. This is the complete opposite of most online methods that take hours, days, or even weeks just to get set up. Now, the way that most people think about making money off the internet is by creating a product or building websites or paying money to get visitors to your stuff. Well, most of those methods are time consuming. They take forever or they never actually work at all, even after all your effort that you put into them. Or sometimes they're just too expensive. And you may be asking yourself, is there a better way? Well, the answer is yes, and we found that way. So with what you're getting here and what you'll have access to, you will destroy the traditional ways of making money off the internet. This works and it works fast. The banger method is a truly complete system. And you know how sometimes you buy a training course and it feels like something just got left out? Well, you're not going to feel that way with the banger method. It's an A to Z system that anyone, even newbies, can use to start making $100 to $200 per day. Now, I guarantee the results will come fast with this. I only started the testing with this a couple months ago, and it's already tripled my income without even trying. And with just a few minutes of setup, and remember, that's only in the first 2 months. The banger method grows over time, making much more than just $372 per hour. The numbers we're sharing on this page are what reasonably you can expect when you're just getting started with this method. It's reasonable to have a job replacing income with just the banger method alone. Now, can you imagine what you will be making a month from now, or 6 months, or a year? It's exciting to think about what you can do with the right proven system. And just to be 100% clear here, the banger method is really something different. You don't need a big email list to make money with this. Inside the banger method, you'll discover how you can start making money without an email list at all. And you don't need a website, and you don't have to be a paid traffic expert or mess with any complicated Facebook ads or anything like that. You're going to see exactly how you can start making $100 to $200 per day with just a few minutes of your time and 100% free traffic. And don't think that this is some free traffic method that you've seen before. This is genius. It's different than the methods you've tried in the past, and it works. And to be honest with you, I can only wish that I'd known all this stuff when I was getting started. The banger method is the shortcut to success and could very well be the last course that you ever need to invest in. This is the one thing that will make you money. And it doesn't just stop at $100 to $200 per day. There is no limit to the money that you can make with this. Every single banger setup takes about 25 minutes. And there's nobody stopping you from doing this again and again and again. If you made a quick $450 with just 25 minutes of setup, how many of these money machines would you set up? Because we are committed to making sure that you have everything you need to start making money within the next 24 hours, we're including 5 step-by-step case studies that reveals how Mark used the banger system to make over $1,000 each and every time, with just a few minutes per promo. Now, inside the case studies, you'll see how Mark got everything set up and ready to go in less than an hour. You'll see how he made $372 per hour right into his PayPal within a few minutes from getting started, and the exact steps he followed to keep the money flowing. Follow along with the case studies and you can get the same results for yourself. It's just like having us right there with you, holding your hand and guiding you to making money in your pocket. Now, I already know what you might be thinking about this. You've seen other selling methods that promise to put $1 bajillion in your pocket within just a few hours of work, and even though $372 per hour is more than many people make in their day jobs, but in the world of online systems, it's not really a massive number. Well, here's the deal. When we say $372 per hour, with just a couple hours of your time, we're giving you real numbers, not pie-in-the-sky fairy dust. And sure, making 18 kajillion by pressing a button on some lame software sounds amazing, but how's that working for you so far? With the banger method, you have the opportunity to get your hands on something real, something that works, and something that can actually change your life. Now, if you're tired of seeing the same stuff over and over again, you owe it to yourself to click the button below right now and get the Banger Method. The Banger Method is 100% newbie friendly, and you can start making money right away with this. And although we initially planned to release this course at $97 or more, and believe me, it's actually worth that because it works and it's easy to follow, you're not going to pay anywhere near that today. For our initial launch, the price on this is slashed, and you can get your hands on this for a small one-time investment, but don't wait. The price is going up fast, and there's really no sense paying more than you have to on this, especially since there's zero risk when you get the Banger Method right now. You have a full 30 days to make sure that this is for you. And if for any reason you're not satisfied, just let us know and we'll get you a prompt refund. Now, you've tried everything else. Don't you think it's time to try something new, something real, and something that's actually proven to work? You owe it to yourself to check out the Banger Method right now. And remember, there's no risk here. Click the button below to get the Banger Method, and you can get started with this and making money as soon as this week. Now remember, if you try this out and you make a lot of money, you're going to be really happy because you're going to have a lot of money, right? Now, if you try this out and you don't get all the money that you want, or you're not satisfied for whatever reason, you can get every single penny back anyways. So there really is no reason not to try the Banger Method today and see if you can crank out a good income with this in the next week.